Have you ever noticed how cars can look completely different? Every tuning style tells a unique story, from aggressive sports cars to elegant Japanese beauties, and even futuristic designs. This is called tuning, and it can be barely noticeable or truly incredible. Tuning is an art that transforms an ordinary car into something special. It all began back in the 1940s in the US, when drivers started modifying their cars to improve speed and appearance. The first tuned car dates back to 1948, when the first custom cars started appearing in Los Angeles, blending body and engine modifications. Since then, tuning has evolved, and today there are many different directions, from minimalistic improvements to real masterpieces that are proudly displayed at car shows. Every tuning style has its own history and philosophy, and today we'll explore some of the most popular ones. 1. JDM, the Japanese style. First up is JDM, a true cult among car enthusiasts. Japanese cars like the Nissan Skyline and Toyota Supra have always been synonymous with power and performance. In this style, the focus is not just on appearance, but also on technical upgrades like suspension, aerodynamics, and sporty details. Everything to push the car to its limits while still looking stunning. The history of JDM dates back to the 1960s, when Japanese cars started gaining popularity in international competitions. In the 1970s, cars like the Nissan Skyline GTR and Toyota Supra became legendary, especially after their success in racing events. In Japan, tuning became a significant part of car culture, and JDM elements became integral to car shows around the world. JDM cars are known for their minimalist look, featuring sporty upgrades like rear spoilers, enhanced exhaust systems, and aerodynamic body kits. Performance is also a key focus, especially for drifting and endurance racing. Examples: Nissan Skyline GTR and Toyota Supra, iconic examples of the style, with powerful engines and sleek design. 2. European elegance. Next, we have the Euro style. Clean lines, minimalism, and attention to every detail. This is a style where every part of the car is meticulously planned, to create not only an elegant, but also a functional vehicle. Cars like the Volkswagen Golf and BMW 3 Series are prime examples of Euro tuning. The focus is on enhancing suspension and exterior, creating a sophisticated yet functional car. Euro tuning emerged in the 1980s and quickly gained popularity among car enthusiasts worldwide. These cars are characterized by a balanced approach to modifications. With no excessive flashy details, everything is meant to be in its place and function perfectly. Cars like the BMW M3 or Volkswagen Golf GTI have become not just popular tuning projects, but also symbols of stylish, dynamic cars that combine elegance with power. 3. USDM, American power. Now, let's dive into USDM, the style based on powerful American cars like the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. The focus here is on an aggressive look, large wheels, and of course, a powerful engine that ensures you get both the drive and the respect you deserve on the road. American tuning has its roots in the post-war era, when large cars with powerful engines, like the Chevrolet Camaro and Ford Mustang, became immensely popular. In the US, tuning often involves enhancing the engine, exhaust system, and suspension to make the car not only look great, but perform even better on the road. USDM cars are modified to emphasize their strength and aggressive look. The main focus is on increasing power, improving exhaust sounds, and modifying exterior elements like larger wheels and bumpers. 4. Stance. Low but powerful. Next up is stance. This style is for those who aren't afraid to make their car so low it almost touches the ground. Wide wheels, suspension modifications, and perfect stance. If you want to stand out from the crowd, this is the style for you. The stance style, developed in the 1990s, and represents a philosophy where the car's appearance takes precedence over its performance. The goal is a perfectly balanced stance, where the wheels seem to be sunk into the body of the car, making it almost kiss the pavement. To achieve this, special suspension systems and wide wheels are used, making the car truly unique and noticeable. The key feature of stance is attention to detail. Every element counts, from the wheel rims to the suspension. The car must not only look stunning, but also maintain its functionality. 5. Rally, the off-road beast. For those who love extreme challenges and dirt tracks, Rally, Subaru WRX, Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, cars built for maximum off-road performance and body protection. These cars are ready to tackle any obstacle, whether it's snow, mud, or rocks. Rally cars are built for one thing: overcoming any challenge. The rally style focuses on a car's ability to handle difficult terrain like snow, mud, and rocks. It's all about performance in tough conditions. Cars like the Subaru WRX and Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution have become famous for their success in rally championships. These cars are modified to enhance off-road performance, improve suspension, and protect the body from damage.
6. Drift, the art of sliding.
Now it's time for drift. This style is for those who love to push the car to its limits. Drift cars, like the Nissan 240SX and Mazda RX-7, are tuned for maximum maneuverability and control while drifting. This is not just racing, it's an art. Drifting is a culture that originated in Japan in the 1970s and quickly gained global popularity. Drift cars are tuned to allow the driver to control the car during high-angle slides, which is the key skill in this sport. These cars are usually modified with stiffer suspensions and powerful engines for optimal performance on the track. Cars like the Nissan 240SX or Mazda RX-7 became iconic for the drift scene, and famous drivers like Ken Block helped popularize the sport worldwide. 7. VIP, Japanese luxury. Let's dive into the world of Japanese luxury with the VIP style. Imagine a Lexus LS or a Toyota Crown, cars that offer impeccable comfort and elegance. Here, every element matters, from the enhanced suspension to the luxurious seating and meticulously crafted interiors. The VIP style originated in Japan during the 1980s and focuses on creating luxurious cars with superior performance and design. It's not just about the exterior. The interior is just as important, with attention to every detail to ensure comfort and sophistication. Cars like the Lexus LS and Toyota Crown became popular for their perfect combination of elegance, luxury, and cutting-edge modifications. 8. Rat rod, retro with character. Next up, we have the rat rod style. This style may not be the most practical, but it's definitely the most unique. Imagine cars with vintage bodies, elements of rust, and a rough kind of tuning. It's not for everyone, but for those looking for something truly distinctive. Rat rods emerged in the US in the 1940s and represent a unique style where the car looks like it hasn't been touched for decades, yet every part has a purpose. Rusty elements, rough modifications, and DIY tuning are hallmarks of this style, making each car a one-of-a-kind project. 9. Tuner, classic tuning. And here it is, the classic style, tuner. This is the universal approach to tuning, where every element of the car can be improved, from the engine to the exterior. Cars like the Honda Civic or Mazda MX-5 are turned into true sports cars, with each element perfected to the highest standard. The tuner style represents the epitome of car tuning, where every detail is tuned to achieve maximum performance and aesthetics. It's about taking a car and enhancing it to its full potential, whether that means modifying the engine, upgrading the suspension, or improving the bodywork. And that's a wrap. Which tuning style caught your eye? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome car content. Let us know what you'd like to see next.